Hey guys, Rockin' Russ here. How's your day going? In my past video, I said I might do a quick mini review on my Vessel rechargeable ball grip screwdriver. Its model number is 220USB-1U. Got this about a year ago. I really like it for the most part. It's got some good torque for a little driver. Let's start with the collet here. The collet is kind of glitchy. I don't really care for that part, and you gotta pull it to remove. It doesn't just pop out or pop in. You gotta push the collar towards the bit to pop it in. Let's see. I love the ball grip. So Klein's got a true grip screwdriver. I've got two of those. I really like those. They're manual screwdrivers. They're not a powered screwdriver like this one, but and this part here down here, well, the collet itself is like CNC aluminum, and then this part down here is plastic, and then the grip itself is rubber. It comes with, I believe you can use just about any 1/4-inch hex bit like that. It comes with a number 2 Phillips. I think I've got a 1/4-inch slotted that it came with too. See, it's not a one push. That kind of drives me nuts. And then it's got pretty simple controls. And a light comes on when you're going in forward or reverse, either direction. It does not have a speed control, just forward and reverse, but there's forward and then reverse. That's a blue slide switch. And then to recharge it, it's got a USB-C, I believe. I can't keep them all straight. I do know the A. The A is the oldest, and they've been around the longest. This may be a B. Actually, I think this is a USB-B. And you just plug it in right there. My eyesight is not the greatest anymore. Okay. Then you got a red LED. I haven't used it for a while, or I haven't had to recharge it in a while. I believe that turns green when it's charged. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments if you own one of these. And it does, like I say, have some, and it won't operate when it's being charged, obviously. I can't zoom in yet. I'm waiting for a control, a Bluetooth control for my iPhone, so I can zoom back and forth when I'm away from the phone itself. And it has a 3.5 volt lithium ion 0.3 amp hour battery in it. That's about it. Let's see, let me unplug it. I mean, you can't really stop it with your hand. That's pretty dang good torque for a little 3.5 volt cordless screwdriver. It's definitely got some torque. I'm a licensed electrician too, and I use these at work for doing not anything super heavy duty, probably light to medium duty. I'll use it for like faceplates and devices, installing those, and other light duty tasks. But yeah, it's got some decent torque. And that's a good little light, you know, when you're in the dark, you know, trying to loosen or tighten panel screws or whatever. Or you're, like in your model train room, you got dark shadow somewhere and you're trying to, you know, take a board or something out of your train, or take some screwed on parts off or something like that. That's plenty enough light for that. I think that concludes my mini review on the Vessel rechargeable ball grip screwdriver. If you guys like my comment, please subscribe, or content, excuse me. Please subscribe, and smash the like button, and please leave a comment. I mean, if there are any miniature tools or anything you want me to review in the future, I might be able to do that. Just let me know down in the comments. All right, take care, guys. See you on the next one.